Good.
Oh,
Ooh.
tender.
There's one more just beside the lunate there too.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
There you
Let it go. Just like that. Boy, they're gonna crack out. He's gonna love you. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
Drop. Yeah, and then we're gonna let go. Beautiful. Chest relax right there. One more. There it is. Breathe in again. Beautiful. Love that lower thoracic. Breathe in again.
And out. There you go. Big one.
Just going to ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those 100 killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body.
Et je vais déroter et je vais tomber sur la vertèbre.
Relax. There you go. Yeah, breathe in. Loose, chin relaxed. Beautiful. Come on over this way. Girl is styling today, man. I don't even want to like mess up the outfit, you know? Okay. Right. Lift the hips up, higher. Breathe in deep. And all the way out. Drop the hips. Yeah. Big breath in and out. You alright? That was a big one. Yeah. Let's more back to your normal self. Big breath in. Head relax. Let go.
Every time I get nervous.
In deep. All the way out. Arms relaxed.
Oh my god. Oh, it kind of knocked the wind out of me.
It's alright. Better little tough movement now than more problems later, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shoulders relaxed, the arms like, yeah, breathe in deep again. All the way out. Drop it. Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that sounds crazy.
That was way better. Ooh, look who's moving today. Beautiful, Ash. Come on, your right side facing me.
Yeah, get this one, right?
This way. And then I'll roll to the other side, There we go, hips relaxed. Straighten that out. Okay, locking those arms here. Breathe in deep. And out. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. She's tight.
Ooh. Ready?
Yo, that would be funny. And it would get followers too.
Face up, Ash.
Like, follow my shadow.
Thank you, Ray.
Breathe in and out. Shoulders relaxed, chest relaxed. Drop.
Oh.
Wow. You could just see this whole area relax afterwards. Breathe in and out. Chin up slightly, chest relaxed, arms loose. Wow. That's amazing. Hips relaxed. Checking the motion of the sacrum. We're going to do something a little different here. You're going to lay on your side facing me, like. Okay. I'm going to bend here. This one's a little bit at them ankles. You lift up your hips in the air, up, up, and then let go. And then let the arms relax. Breathe in deep. Yep, and breathe. And out.
Oh, I like that one.
Crazy. Okay, and then we're going back to the same position. Right there. Just go like this. Breathe in and out. Shoulders relax. Oh, that was tight. Yeah, it's tough when it doesn't move so well.
Yeah.
Come on over this way. Let me slide the table over so I'm not rearing Tom's face so much. There you go.
I can move.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, big breath in and out. And go this way. Drop the hips. Beautiful.
Sure.
Come on. Okay, big breath in and out. Let it go. There you go. Drop your head all the way. It's right for you.
That's actually not that bad. Am I done?
Would you relax? Have you seen your spine?
Yeah.
Would you relax? Breathe in deep.
I do it the other way too?
Yeah. You don't do it. You just relax. She likes to drive the bus, huh? Yeah.
She doesn't though. She likes it.
I'm trying to relax here.
And out. Drop, drop, drop. Oh. Chin up a little bit. Right there. Beautiful. Way out. Drop, 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 drop. Beautiful. We did it. We did it. And out. And relax a little bit. Okay. Drop. Beautiful motion. T1. Breathe in. And out.
Oh, hello.
I'm not wearing a costume either, right? All right, so big deep breath in and out. Shoulders relax all the way. Nice. And then breath in again. All the way out. Chest relax. Wow, that was legit. And come on over this way facing me, Cal. Nice. Like so. There you go. Hips relaxed again. Up. Woo! I like this. You been feeling a little better?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank goodness. Okay. Breath in again. Good. Drop, drop. Beautiful. Dear, face up, please. Relax. In. Wow. On top of mine. Squeeze down. Breathe in. Fall back. Chest up, up, up. Wow. Stay there. Breathe. Are we okay?
Mm-hmm.
And relax. Hands down, chest up. Breathe. Head relax. We're going to go this way. Breathe in deep. And out. And relax. Yeah, right there. That area we need the ice. Let me take this. I'm going to breathe. And out.
Okay, that was good.
Cool. Very cool. Ooh. Look who's moving today.
Oh my god.
There we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Good. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Yes, sir. Good job.
Very good. Relax for me. Very good. Okay. All the way out. Very good. Excellent.